All for One SpaceX has taken yet another major step forward, showing the world they are fully prepared to launch Starship, but there's still one major obstacle. The FAA, its regulation continues to delay the flight of the scared rocket, leaving many disappointment. Recently, another congressman spoke out criticizing the FAA restrictions, voicing support for SpaceX. Even former President Donald Trump, now candidate in the upcoming election, has weighed in on these issues. Could this signals the beginning of the end for the FAA? Grip right. Meanwhile, the Rocket Lab and Institute machines have made important strides for their own in the space industry. There are plenty of existing news to cover today, so let's dive into the episode of SpaceX Saga. You probably still remember the inspiring moment when Super Heavy Booster 12 has lifted to an unprecedented height by the CubeSat. It was a critical test and it underscored SpaceX's determination to catch the booster during the next flight. Following this step, Starship 30 arrived at a launch pad after more than 3 months of anticipation and movements. We are all been waiting for finally came as 30 was lifted and fully stacked on B12, making the first combination of hardware of Flight 5 before this B2 had already been installed with a hot stacking ring. After being placed on this orbital launch mount, SpaceX redefined its readiness, declaring Starship stacked for Flight 5 and ready to launch. In fact, they are originally announced readiness back in August after each stage and successfully completed its tests. Critical preparation. The first full stack test was conducted August 23rd, where SpaceX performed proper planet load test followed by detonation to assess the fueling process. Afterwards, basic standard protoplanet load test and pre-flight CubeSats complete beast ahead Flight 5. Elon Musk, his statement reposting the message of Starship flight is ready to fly. However, SpaceX impasse with the launch is still pending regulatory approval from the FAA. Updates on these again highlighted the frustration with the FAA delays with and hindering not only SpaceX's progress but also the advancement of the US aerospace as a whole, opening the door for other nations to close the gap. Given the current situation, it seems unlikely the FAA will expedite their discussions. The growing criticism against the FAA, louder than even more intensive than its previously delays, aims this former president and 2024 presidential candidate Donald Trump a strong statement on a matter. And I'll talk to Elon Musk, get those rocket ships going because we want to research Mars before the end of my term. We want to do it and we may want to have also great military protection in the US. There it's going to be tweet once again highlighted SpaceX's critical role in the space exploration part, particularly colonizing Mars and enhancing security. Meanwhile, it's uncertain whether Trump will win the election. It has started and the goal of the colonizing Mars could be achieved within this term by 2028. This aligns with Elon Musk's own recent prediction for Mars colonizing. Its response to Trump's statement, Elon Musk simplified retweeted away a few days later. House floor, California Congressman Kevin shared his thoughts. This congratulations SpaceX Elon Musk on the success of the Polaris and spacewalk mission. He noted the groundbreaking missions and the unprecedented altitude open new possibilities for the aerospace industry, while bolstering and the position for both SpaceX and the United States. Went to criticizing the FAA delays with Starship and the recent fine imposed on SpaceX for Falcon 9 operation. He said there simply should out these delays related to the paperwork or the bureaucracy. This company is also vital to US leadership around the world. When it's come to space, and it's vital to our national security in the unpresentable that the FAA is trying to hold back its progress. Fines and delays Musk quickly respond with the sample appeared. Jared leader of the Polaris Down mission also chimed in, reposting Calvin comments, which is his own reaction created to this recognition of political leaders regardless to our personal views. Politicals, Elon Musk companies to tackle humanity's biggest challenges Starship or for a gold rush on evil riches on Mars. They are going to open the final future of all human mind. Your dream for our more exciting future cheer for SpaceX and all various endeavors just like it given ISS means close ties with the SpaceX hit spot. This sub-understable and being advocated by accelerating Starship launches. Backed SpaceX calls now more than ever oppositions. The FAA stands on SpaceX. There are is growing to unity with the shared goals of maintaining the US leadership in aerospace as well as obstructing competitors like China. Any organization it stands in the way of this Congress faces to choice. Reform our risks being left behind. Path will the FAA choose? Will they dedicate their fact? Will other dedicate from them? For now, SpaceX has time to appeal from the FAA fine on Falcon 9 and regarding Starship, the next flight. 5 is selected November despite the challenges, support and preparation for SpaceX remaining strong. Commands let SpaceX fly. Show our support from SpaceX. Starship, don't forget to like, share video and subscribe to our channel. Keep following SpaceX incredible journey, especially and going issues between SpaceX and the FAA. Next, we have an update on Rocket Lab. Electron mission on September 27, 1 p.m. An Electron rocket successfully launched from Rocket Lab complex in New Zealand. This mission was dedicated to sending second satellite from the French startup Kins, part of the Internet of Things network. The mission, titled Kins killed the ratio. The radio has placed the satellite sun's orbit and the altitude of 643 km. This marks the second of 5 launches, the Coins record of the Rocket Lab in 2021, with the first taking place in June. More launches and schedule follow Coins CEO Alexander expected confidence. The company Congress starting with the full constellation expected to be operational by mid of 2025 will enable customers to grant access tracking and data with a latency to just 15 to 20 minutes. This is the low latency over than 90 to 95% to use cause, and the company aims to reach probability within 3 years. For Rocket Lab, this mission marks their 11th launch in 2023, a new record for the company since their inaugural launch in 2017. Rocket Lab has increased its launch, breaking last year's record of 10 launches within 3 months remaining in the year. Rocket Lab has also potential to extend this new milestone even further. It's clear that Rocket Lab is following a trajectory similar to the SpaceX. Just recently, SpaceX matched last year's record with 91 launches. Although the scale of the operation differs, both companies have proven to the most active in the orbital launch industry. Their continuous success place and them well ahead of their all goals like Blue Origin and United Launch Alliance (ULA). We look forward to seeing these companies achieve next. Wrapping up the Rocket Lab update, let's turn to the latest news from Intensive Machines and their significant new lunar contract on September 17. NASA announced that Machines has secured $4.8 billion US contract to provide communications navigation surface of the moon, supporting the Artemis lunar exploration program. The company will play a key role in NASA Space Network will currently facilitate communications our mission in Earth orbit and CIS lunar space. The contract officially titled Subsecretary 2.2 GEO to CIS Lunar Relay Services present a major step forward the lunar exploration. The contract in indefinite agreement beginning for 3 years space period starting October 1st with an option for additional 3 years. 5-year base period starting October 1st with an option additional 5 years. While NASA has not disclosed the initial amount allocated under the contract, the first task order focus on Congress validation on the lunar relay capabilities and surface. These services will be critical of the robotic and crewed lunar missions, include rovers and other spacecraft under the Artemis program. NASA noticed the new capabilities will help reduce the strain on this deep space network, work which has been stretched Think many supporting deep space mission and more recently the Artemis 1 mission in 2022. The lunar relay services provided by the Institute machines will help ensure smoother communication for the upcoming mission. Steve Altman, CEO, machines commitment. This contract marks a pivotal movement in our leadership in space communication and navigation. We are excited to partner NASA to support the aims, campaigns, and the efforts to expand the lunar company economy despite the excitement. NASA Institute machines has not yet disclosed specific details. These services will be implemented more than the potential issues of satellites in lunar orbit. It also unclear how many other companies completed for this contract. While the expectations are high, there are always uncertainty surrounding major NASA projects, especially in the preparation and the operational phase. However, Institute machines has now proven itself to be a leader in a recent lunar efforts. We now will watching closely to see how these contribute to bringing humpbacks to the moon in the year. To well, folks, that to be the episode. Thank you so much for tuning, and this is Calvin from SpaceX Saga. Until next time, keep looking up.